Hello friends, it's Jana. Today I am unboxing this package that came today. I already took away the label and pre-opened it. So let's see what's inside. This is from Hohbee Store and this is a Midori Square Wall Frame. So let's see what I have in this box. So this is what's inside the box. I guess this is the watering bottle. When life gives you 100 reasons to cry, show life that you have 1,000 reasons to smile. Isn't it cute? So let's see what they sent me. And let's open this. Very interesting, friends. This is my first time seeing this. So this is from Midori. And here is, let's look, what is this? Warranty. So you have a warranty here. So you could go to hohbee.com, send an email, and then you have 90 days warranty. That's good. Oh, it's the same one here in the back too. Okay, now let's look at this brochure. It shows the Pafcal right here. This is a soil-free, fast-free. So this is the picture of what a single one is, and this is what I got right here. I have 5 of them in this square frame wall. So let's open what else it says in here. So what is the Pafcal? Pafcal is a groundbreaking materials invented by Toyota Suntory Company of Japan. Among Pafcal's benefits are its 100% organic, soil-free, clean, 10 years lifespan, freedom creativity, lightweight, low maintenance, balance of air 70% and water is 30%, and eco-friendly. So this is how to use them. The side here, friends, they have a green wall here. This is in Mori no Kabi green wall. Here is the Aeon Taman Maluri Kuala Lumpur. Look at that building, friends. This is made of Pafcal. And this is the Midori Owls Cafe, my town. And this is the Microsoft Malaysia. Look at how pretty that is. And over here, look at this building right here. This is in New World Center, Hong Kong. In Yodobashi Yomida Tower right here, Japan, Osaka. And here is the Kuala Lumpur International Airport. So friends, if any of you went to these places, let me know, friends, because this would be so awesome to see in person. Just look at these beautiful plants that they have in here. I cannot wait to try on how this will work with my plants. This is gonna be awesome. So I'm gonna go outside and look for plants that I could plant in this planter, and I will show you how I'm gonna do it and see what it looks. Alright friends, now let's start pouring this water in here. I have a little drop earlier using the spout that it came with, but I decided to take away the lid so I can pour it all the way through. And I'm only going to pour halfway of this Pafcal, friends, so I can see how it goes, and I could always add the water later if I needed more. So it will take 15 minutes for it to absorb, friends, so let's see how it goes. I will show you soon my plants that I choose to plant in this planter. So here are the plants that I decided to use. First is the Aglaonema Lucky Red, Syngonium Pink Flecked, Syngonium Randy, the Philodendron Sport, and the Tradescantia Lavender. So beautiful, friends, and I love all these plants. They have beautiful colors. They have been already washed, especially the roots, and I'm going to cut them to fit into this Pafcal right here. It's been soaked for 15 minutes already, and it absorbed the water, and it is now moist enough to put the plants in there. And it totally fit the frame, friends. You could see. So amazing how that works. So I am going to first decide on which plant I am going to use, because I cannot decide which one yet, but I am going to use probably this syngonium. I'm going to use this pink flex, so I'm gonna need to measure or estimate on how much I needed to cut for this plant to fit inside here, because the roots are so long. So I am going to just measure it again and again until we can fit this whole plant roots inside there. So we'll see how this goes. So we have to just squeeze it a bit and put it in there, but I think I might need to cut them still. So cut them a bit here, one more, and then try to put it back again and see how this goes. I guess this is fit enough, just like that. I might need to cut it again if I need to, but we'll see how this goes. This is our first time, so bear with me, friends. You're here with me, right? So just let me know and do some advice later in the comment to see if you have done one like this as well. So let's see this beautiful pink color. It's called Aglonema Lucky Red, but it should be going red soon. This is just a baby. I don't know how this goes, these plants, but I love these plants. I love the way it is pink. I hope it would stay that way too, because I like the way that looks. The pink is so beautiful to me. That seems fit in there. Probably needs a little bit, but we'll see. We can always cut them later, so we can just readjust them and put this baby in the middle, because I like it. I like that beautiful thing in the middle. This one is too long, so I decided to cut that one there. Cut the sides, and it will grow. Syngonium grows fast, friends. So I know you'll be like, oh my goodness, the roots are being cut, but it will grow, friends. They grow fast, and this one is the Syngonium rande as well. I'm not worried about cutting the roots, because these plants grow very fast and they are very thirsty plants. So it's perfect in this planter because they will get the water that they needed. But I just need to water them, right? Remember to water them. This will be on my desk in the schoolroom, friends, so I can keep up with the watering. I love it, friends. Oh, it's looking pretty already. So looking pretty. So let's do this. Tradescantia lavender. I love this plant. It's so beautiful. They are also another fast growing plant. I have Tradescantia, different color outside, growing, and they grow fast. So hopefully this will like this way here, because I want it to trail down. So just cut them to fit inside the Pafcal, and they will grow. And I'm gonna probably cut more later when it grows so I can have a fuller plant inside this planter and insert more stem. That would be awesome to have more in here. So that will be in this side here, and I want it to trail down. I just want it full and trail down on the edge of my table is what I'm thinking about putting this thing here. So also the last one that I'm gonna do is this philodendron sport. I believe that is the name of this plant. I have this for a long time, and this is one of my cuttings that actually grew already. So I'm gonna have to cut the other stem that was so long in there on the sides, because that was in a way of the Pafcal is too long in there and too tough. So I'm just leaving a couple roots to go in there, because it is pretty tough, that stem right there. So let's cut that more in that stem right there too. That way I could fit it perfect inside here, and it would just be snug inside and have more room for the roots to grow inside the Pafcal right there. So I think that's good. I think that's enough in there. I could add more actually, but I just want to see how this one grows in here. So that will be for that one there. That's just the way how I want it to be. So I'm just gonna wiggle it around, arrange it, make sure it will grow upright for now. I want it to be level. So that's it for now. I hope you like it. So I'm gonna have to show you how I water this planter right here, friends. I'm just trying to wiggle this around because some of the roots are still coming out. It is probably okay because the next side of the Pafcal is still gonna be there holding on to it. It should be fine, but I just have that thing that I just want it to be perfectly intact in there. So we'll see. I like it that way, so that should be good. I love the colors too, so hopefully this will thrive, friends. So let's see on the other. Let me just clean this up right here. Here it is, friends. I hope you enjoyed watching this planting video. I really enjoyed doing this. I am going to put this right on the table just like this and have these two trailing plants on the bottom to trail down. And you can also choose to have this standing upright on the table or mounted on the wall just like this. Here is the hole where you put the water in, and the side here is where you can see the water level. So you pour the water here and just make sure that you look at the water level, that way it wouldn't overflow. So that's it. That's all you need to do, friends. It's so easy. So friends, they also have other products in the back of this brochure here. This is the Midori fridge magnet door gifts. This is what I have, the Midori square wall frame. Here is their circular one. This is the round frame, and this is the easy pot, and this is what the easy pot look like, a sample here on how the plants will grow. Thank you, Hohbee Store, for sending me this beautiful planter, and below, friends, is the link of Midori square wall frame. Please check them out. Happy planting! Bye bye.